What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are working on my 2007 Toyota Tundra. We are replacing this radiator right here. This is the factory radiator that came on this truck. This truck has 240,000 miles on it, and you can see here it's leaking all over the place. The top's leaking, the bottom's leaking, and it just keeps dumping coolant out of that truck. So what we're going to be doing is going to an upgraded radiator. We are going with Mishimoto. They are known more in the import scene, but this is a Japanese truck. So go with them. The price difference between a performance radiator versus the factory one is around $100 more. So I just opted to go with the Mishimoto one. Now, just looking at the quality of the build, I could tell that Mishimoto is pretty high quality. So I'm pretty excited to get this in there. Luckily, we are in the middle of winter and we don't have any overheating issues with the engine currently. So I wanted to get this done before spring and summer come. So we're gonna get this installed in the truck and see how it fits and performs. So we've been running this truck for about almost 3 weeks now with the new radiator. So no leaks, obviously. So that's a big one because we were refilling that old radiator quite often. So that's a big plus. The fitment of this thing is perfect. The install was a breeze just because everything lined up perfectly, and the quality of the welds are top notch, as you guys saw in some of that B-roll footage. But really preparing this truck for the summer ahead, so that way we can keep the engine cool, and just for an extra $100, I think it's definitely worth it to go with the Mishimoto one over the Toyota factory one. So I highly recommend this product for you if you are looking to upgrade or replace yours if you're having a leak issue like we are. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, give us a call. We are in Denver, Colorado. If you want us to install it for you, give us a call as well, and we'll see you guys in a later video.